when I'm listening to your stories, parang tumataguyod sa akin yung verse ng Romans 8:28
Exactly.
na talagang all things will work out for the good, di ba? For those who love Him and are called according to His purpose. So, grabe yung purpose pala ni Lord sa buhay nyo, di ba? Na the people that you will touch, the ministries that He will give to you to lead, and nakakakilabot lang how God works, no? Sobra.
Yeah, that's why talking about yung Romans 8:28, I believe yung journey namin, yung journey ko as a juvenile delinquent, that's how we started we have a temporary shelter. So meron tayong shelter for abused kids, yung abandoned, yung orphans, hindi ba? So I know how it feels eh. And being in and out of jail, I understand kung gaano kahirap yung nasa kulungan. So that's how we started the jail ministry. And yung aming naging journey also, yung dysfunction namin at saka yung naging dysfunction namin, ito yung ginagamit naman ni God ngayon just so that yung testimony ni God sa amin can also bring hope to other people, especially yung mga couples na mayroong marital concerns or problems.